Rotary cut veneer information. Rotary cut veneer is a type of veneer produced by peeling a log in a continuous ribbon or sheet, using a rotary lathe. The lathe spins the log against a razor-sharp blade, which peels off a thin layer of wood from the log in a continuous sheet. The resulting veneer has a unique and distinct appearance, characterized by wide, bold, and often swirling grain patterns. Rotary cut veneer is popular due to its relative affordability and the fact that it can be produced quickly in large quantities. The veneer is often used in furniture manufacturing, cabinetry, and architectural paneling, among other applications. One of the drawbacks of rotary cut veneer is that it can be less stable than other types of veneer, such as sliced or sawn veneer, due to the way it is cut. The wide grain patterns can also make it difficult to match the veneer patterns across large panels or pieces of furniture. Overall, rotary cut veneer is a versatile and cost-effective option for many woodworking projects, but it's important to consider its unique characteristics and limitations when selecting a veneer type for a particular application.